Young love can be sweet, but we don't often associate it with intimate relationships that necessitate judicial intervention. The 2014 New York case of Emily K. versus Luis J., however, illustrates the versatility of family courts in the context of a childhood romance gone bad. Samantha and Luis had been classmates since kindergarten. In 5th grade, they began a dating-type relationship that continued off and on until 8th grade. Initially, they sometimes kissed, held hands, talked on the phone, and texted. In 6th grade, the two began some sexual contact, and Luis started becoming jealous and controlling towards Samantha. He touched her breasts without permission and made her touch his aroused privates at school in front of other classmates. After that, the two barely dated in 7th grade, though they did start talking again toward the end. In 8th grade, they met up twice at Luis's suggestion. The first time, Samantha felt pressured to perform oral sex on Luis and ultimately did. The second time, during which they engaged in intercourse, Samantha asked Luis to stop, which he initially did, but then resumed. After these two encounters, Samantha kept her distance from Luis and began to develop suicidal notions. She ultimately shared these experiences with her mom. Her mom, Emily, then initiated proceedings in family court on behalf of Samantha, alleging multiple family offenses and seeking a protective order against Luis. At the time, both Luis and Samantha were 13 years old. The court found that the teens' relationship did qualify as an intimate relationship under the relevant family law statute, and that Luis committed the offenses of sexual misconduct and forcible touching. The court granted the protective order against Luis, and Luis appealed to New York's appellate division, challenging the family court's jurisdiction.